YouTube, this is Martin with 95 Aeroboy. Me and my girlfriend, who doesn't want to be on camera, are going to go to a laundromat in my 95 Aerostar Ford van. It's extended. I've had previous videos recorded on my channel. Just figured I just, I've done videos in my Ford Focus, which is aka Rust Bucket. Rust Bucket. I figured out what the hell. Try it out in my van. I do have registration issues, so hopefully there's no cops in the area.
Shouldn't have said that.
Yes, I know I shouldn't have said that. But, oh well. Oh, also,
No.
I made a video just the other day. There's a motor for my Ford Focus, and there, as you can see, there's the basket of clothing. That motor's going to go into my Focus to get up and running. Yo, buddy! I gotta go fix my camera mount, or window mount. Sorry about that being so close. Boing. There we go. Let's hope that takes care of that. I just apologize for the jumpiness. I'm not playing any music just for the fact that you got that copyright thing on Facebook. Working on finding some, non-copyright music to play in the background if I want music while YouTubing. I found some of them, I haven't been through a lot of them. So, other than that, hope you enjoy. I can't swip the camera around. I've tried that.
So you guys don't flip?
Oh, there's the exploder. Yeah, hopefully my phone doesn't fall off its cradle. There we go. And yes, my van squeaks with the doors. That's the tailgate doing that too. Alright. Yeah, I wish I could turn the camera around because I don't know how to push the button. My phone won't let me do that.
Oh, my phone does.
When you're on video,
Yeah.
I haven't found that idea, so I don't know.
But I usually flip it before I turn the video on.
Okay, next time try to flip it while you're actually recording it.
Okay.
Let me know.
Alright.
So I have tried with this, and it doesn't flip it while still holding it. Let's try that. Oh, you know what we should do? Go drop off our rent. Then go do laundry. It's all in the same area. Yeah? Chico, California. It's on a Friday. Yeah, she's actually going to try doing it on her phone.
You know what? I can't.
Try it at the very top, scroll down and see if it'll have that little option bar. Because mine won't.
No.
Ha ha!
Shush.
Proved that wrong, didn't I?
Yes, you did.
And don't get me on that, folks. There are some phones that will actually do what I was trying to explain. It's just that my phone and her phone apparently doesn't have that option. So, but yes, I do want to upgrade. Sorry about the squeakiness. But I do want to upgrade to a GoPro. I don't want no cheap digital camera. I don't want those. And I know GoPros are very expensive. I was thinking about maybe like a GoPro 7. The 8s are a little bit too expensive. Oh yeah. Tell us it's laundry day. Well, we usually do it on like a Wednesday, but I had things to do that day, which was out there at Pick and Pull with my homie Tony, which is my mechanic. He went out there the same day, and we looked at some cars. He actually said, "Look, we've got one car that's ready." So I said, "Dude, let's go get it." I had cash up front, ready to go. So we pulled it out. I made that small video, and as you can tell from earlier in the video, it's sitting in the back seat. So it's a big load off my shoulders, you know, because I waited so long in having the motor to replace. Now I have it. Watch out, mailman. You know, I'll go out there and actually get it cleaned and dealt with. So I say, sweet. Oh yeah, a little pet peeve. If you people are driving, use a Bluetooth for a phone.
Use your blinkers.
Yeah, I have blinkers too. Because the guy who just passed me was literally on his phone on it. You know, how am I saying? Yeah, you gotta be really careful with the local PD in the area where they hide out at.
And half of them know it's you.
Yes, I know. I admit I'm doing a no-no.
Yes, you are doing it now.
Yes, I know.
Do you know where you're going?
Yes, I do.
Oh,
I'm trying to
okay.
use the non-busy roads.
Oh.
Me being a taxi cab driver, I know some shortcuts. But with mine, I gotta do shortcuts without local authorities. My car is registered financially and has current insurance on it. I just didn't pass smog to get my little license plate sticker yet. So if I get pulled over, it's more of a fix-it ticket. I don't want to take that time and extra money I have to pay for. But I'm a daring person. I'm doing what I can. Because the car I want's not operational yet.
Not yet.
Yet. The motor's in the back seat. The replacement motor, I should say. So, and hopefully the motor noise on recording of this doesn't really do like it used to, where you hear the humming sound. I mean, like, I got what you call a, you know, exhaust tip on mine. It makes it more different sound to it, but still. Hey, front row parking. Just get out, drop off the rent, call it good. Alright. Okay, folks, I'm going to pause the video so I can get out and take care of this, and I'll be right back. Alright, folks, I'm back. Now, let's go do some laundry. Also, I gotta get some power steering fluid, too. Sounds like it's a You know, I've had people come up to me and say that, hey, what kind of supercharger you got in this thing?
You need to get a sticky bomb. No, seriously.
Yeah, I know. I see that armored truck over there. Yeah, Dorothy's doing the GTA 5 remark of a armored truck over there. Funny. Yeah, that is funny. Oh yeah. But anyways,
My tummy's growling at me.
well, I will hopefully have that taken care of. No more pizza though. I'm burnt out on it.
Oh my god.
Yes, I'm
And
burnt.
she's
Yes.
run out of pizza.
Oh yeah. I can only stand so much pizza.
They got cheese bread.
They have a little convenience store next to the laundry. You can get a bag of chips or something.
Bag of chips.
There it is. That's the street I want. Well, it's more than just bag of chips that are in the store, okay?
Yeah, I'm living on pizza. I mean, chips.
Freaking homeless. God, I hate homeless. I really do. Except for the ones that are just unfortunate homeless, where they lost their home to fire or something like that, and they have nowhere else to go. There, yeah, I am okay with it. Those who do drugs, don't really want to do stuff for their life, those are the ones I hate. Anyways, folks, I'm going to stop the video because I got 12 minutes. And we're here at the laundromat. Peace out, be safe, be smart, call a sober driver. Later.